Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A different type of 3D tech effects. I'm going to try to do a little bit. So if you can't tell, there's a little bit of curve to this. I'm going to try it a couple of different ways, but I'm going to try it this way first. I'm going to take a rectangle and it's selected. I'm going to go to Effects and Lens, and I'm going to fisheye it. But I might try a little bit more this time, like 150. See, that gives it, I think I like that. Now you need to go and freeze it. And then you take this away and actually go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it to get rid of the box. I'm going to like this, I think. That's just something else I was working on. Anyway, now I am going to left click, right click, and I'm going to get the extrude tool. And I'm going to extrude it. But the main reason I want to use the extrude tool because I want to be able to rotate it. So I'm going to go right here to the rotation, and I'm going to put a little rotation on it. And see, every little movement changes it quite a bit. Now I'm going to grab this handle because I don't want it extruded quite so far as it is. And I really don't like the angle. Let me get back to this. You could play with your numbers. Oh, that's the depth. I guess when you do this, I thought there was a way to play with the numbers. Yeah. So you could, see, turn it like that. There, I got more of an angle now, or I like it. So now I'm going to go to Object and break this extrude group apart. I'm going to move this out of the way for a second. I'm going to see how big this is. And it's 22 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 25. And I'm going to try to grab the top extrude, and there it is. Now what I can do is just color this all in a blue. And everything that's kind of like hidden, and I'm actually going to take away the outline. Everything that's kind of like hidden is where the letters are going to be. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and use that dark blue, and then I'm going to put it back on top. And you already see it. I think it might look better with the lines because you can kind of see what more going on. That's I'm going to try it later with the envelope tool. Oh, one thing I didn't do, let me back up here, is I'm going to take I'm going to move these out of the way for a second. And this is all one group. So I'm going to get my interactive fill tool, and I'm going to put a little darkness to this. Actually, quite a bit of darkness. Then I'm going to put my letters back. You can always go back to the extrude tool, even when it's on there, because I've got a little bit too much. I think that looks pretty cool. Bring our rectangle back. I like putting a black box around it lately. That's a unique font, a unique effect. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas. And I think different colors, let's just play with it. Different colors might be better. We'll have to get the extrude tool back out to change the color. Yeah, and so you could play around with this quite a bit. That actually makes it kind of stand out more. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.